Welcome to this presentation on Infor 10x version of SyteLine. In this scenario, we see the customer requesting 5 of our best water pumps to be shipped in 2 days if possible. We will see Marie using SyteLine and Ming.le to contact her key employees to expedite purchasing and production to satisfy our customer's urgent request. Carl, our account manager, watches the process on his iPad from the airport. Marie is a customer service representative for a specialty pump company. She receives a call from one of our most valued customers, Vectragard, with a rush order. They need 5 of our Series 300 pumps in 2 days. The typical lead time is 4 to 5 days. From her Ming.le home page, Marie jumps to SyteLine's customer service home, then to the quick order entry form to start the process. She sees all of Vectragard's orders and notices in the On-Time Shipments Analytics view that the last order they placed was not shipped on time, making today's request more important. So Marie enters the order with their requested due date, then checks to see if we have the pumps in stock. She quickly learns that there are none in inventory and that the current lead time is 5 days. Marie keeps their original request date on the order for now and sends a Ming.le share message to the production group to find out how quickly we can build 5 pumps for an important customer. Bob is a production planner, part of the group that sees Marie's message on Ming.le. He clicks on the button with Marie's message and drills down to the item availability. He sees that the issue is purchasing related, not production related. If purchase order 70 can be expedited, then we can ship the customer's rush order on time. On his Ming.le homepage, Bob replies to Marie's message, letting her know that he is contacting the senior buyer to see if the critical material can be expedited to arrive tomorrow. He sends a message to Tim, asking if purchase order 70 can be expedited. Tim sees Bob's message, asking for the material to be expedited. Tim opens the PO and calls the supplier, who agrees to overnight the parts to us. Tim changes the due date and checks the expedited flag on the PO. Then he emails the purchase order with the new due date to the vendor, which triggers an activity deck message, letting users know that the PO has been expedited and that the parts will arrive tomorrow. In Ming.le, Tim lets us know that the PO is taken care of. Under Activity Alerts, Marie sees that the PO is expedited and then notices that the projected date on the customer order is now in line with the customer's request date. She updates the ship via to UPS Next Day Air and expedites the customer order to avoid any possible shipping delays. Marie then calls the customer and sends them a revised order verification to confirm that they can expect the pumps on Tuesday. This process sends a copy of the order to both Road Warrior and Infor and also triggers an activity deck message to the account manager on the order, notifying him that one of his orders was just expedited. Back to her Ming.le homepage, Marie will leave a comment under her original post to say, "Thanks again for your help, Tim." Sitting at the airport, Carl, Vectragard's account manager, can watch the action on his iPad. He sees an activity deck message that Vectragard's order for 5 pumps has been expedited. Road Warrior allows Carl to check on customer orders, purchase orders, and other ERP information affecting his customers. Infor ties together ERP, our social network, and the mobile client for our sales force. SyteLine, Ming.le, and Road Warrior, faster together.